Meaning of endoskeleton.
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 Endoskeleton. An endoskeleton is an internal support structure found in some animals, including humans. Unlike exoskeletons, which are found on the outside of an organism, endoskeletons are located inside the body. The human endoskeleton consists of bones, cartilage, and other connective tissues. The primary function of the endoskeleton is to provide support and protect vital organs. Additionally, the endoskeleton allows for movement by attaching muscles and acting as levers. In summary, an endoskeleton is an internal support structure that provides protection, support, and enables movement in organisms.